Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I've been asked, since I've been doing some of my videos on my truck here, how the Krown Rustproofing has been holding up since I got it done. And, you know, I had so much rust on it. To me, it's really hard to say, but I will give you a walk around and just try and show you what's happening and what it looks like. I'll try to keep the light here good and we'll take a little look. Okay, we're underneath and sort of looking at the passenger side, and the driver's side looks the same. But one of the things that I noticed with this was there was more, to me there seemed to be more chunks of rust when I had this done. And now it's almost like a dust, like it's not the big chunks anymore. And I'll be honest, I'm not sure if that's me or if that's really what's happening. You know, even on the frame here, you can feel the oil, and you know, like it's just like the chunks. I don't know how to say it, fell off. So that certainly, to me, seems different. Now, the telltale I thought would be, let me get the light set up and I'll show you. Be right back. Be right back. What's going to be the telltale for me is, as time goes on, this is the new metal that I had put on. And since I had that put on, what was it, last year, so it hasn't been that long, but I had it sprayed almost immediately, at least before the first salt season. So we'll see how that progresses, because that's new metal. But so far, you know, it's hard to say, but it looks pretty good. Now up here, here's some of that chunk rust. But that's what a lot of it used to look like. And it doesn't anymore. It's almost like it fell off and it sort of got under the rust like they told me it was going to. It seems like it's keeping it at bay, which with all the rust that I had, that was sort of the best that I could hope for. Now we're on the driver's side, and you can see where the patchwork was done there, up on this side. So once again, that'll be the telltale to me. Oh yeah, that's another emergency brake cable. That's another video coming up. But once again, here there's some places where you have this chunks, but it seems like it got behind the rust and actually knocked all these chunks off. So if that has any significance or means absolutely anything, I don't know. All I can say is with the Krown Rustproofing, I'm going to continue to keep getting it done. It seems like it's doing something, at least like I said before, to keep it in check, keep it at bay. To me, that's worth it to do it, get it done. It's no more than getting your car detailed really once a year. So if it's going to keep this thing from rusting and help me keep it a few more years, I'm all for it. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, like doing your Krown Rustproofing, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.